The innovative Frigidaire Gallery French door refrigerator has a large capacity with adjustable shelves, drawers, and bins for over 100 ways to organize your refrigerator, so you can store more for your family. The refrigerator features a full-width drawer that is a convenient place to keep meats, cheeses, party platters, and kid snacks right within reach. Flip up and slide under shelves that make it easy to configure space for taller and larger items, and adjustable door bins with enough space for large items like gallons of milk and orange juice. Fruits and vegetables can be stored and kept fresh in the effortless Glide Crisper drawers. And in the freezer, tiered storage bins keep frozen foods organized. Plus, the refrigerator features the best-in-class ice and water filtration with a tall dispenser, so you get cleaner, fresher ice and water for your family. And an extra ice maker can be added to create more ice for parties. The Frigidaire Gallery French door refrigerator. Frigidaire. The legend continues.